What's happening, kinfolk? Welcome back to the channel, Knuckles TV. Knuckles coming at you, man. Today, we are out and about. Today is July 4th. Happy July 4th to everybody, man. I'm actually out here. Came to meet up with a follower, man, and we've been following each other for a long time. Just haven't met in person, and today we finally get to meet in person. We're gonna go head out to a little eatery spot, and then we're headed to Old Town Spring and for a little benefit thing, man. So I'll let him tell you a little bit about that. But yeah, let me introduce you to him and show you what he's riding, and then we'll get on the road here in just a minute, man. So, brother, what's your name?
Hey, I'm Don, but I'm Freedom on Twos, man.
Freedom on Twos, baby.
Look me up on the IG. I'm a ride over here.
Yeah.
We're like you said, we're gonna head out. We're gonna go get up some burgers and a little bit of ice cream. Enjoy the 4th, you know.
Yeah.
And yeah, man, just get out, have some, eat up some miles and eat up some food.
Hell yeah. So what year is your bike, man?
That's a 2012 Victory Cross Country Tour. It's the only year of the all white.
Oh, no kidding.
Yep. They've got some of the later years they came back with the white, but it's a two-tone. But this is the only year of the all white, and I had to have it.
That's nice, man.
I had to have it.
So my brother-in-law actually had a Victory cross. I think it was a cross country, but it wasn't with the trunk and all that stuff, right? It was just
that's the only thing that makes it a tour.
Okay.
So this would be a cross country. That makes it a tour.
Gotcha. So that's what Ray had, man. That thing was slick. That thing was fast too, bro. Like he smoked the shit out of me a bunch of times. Stop.
I ain't about to say.
So, but yeah.
I do gotta say, man, it's like riding a couch.
Oh yeah, I do.
It's like riding a couch.
Yeah, that thing was slick. So where we headed to go catch some food, and then what's the deal with the event over in Old Town Spring?
Yeah. So saw on Instagram a little burger spot up here. It came highly touted, so I'm like, hey, let's go.
Yeah. It's over off Rayford, right?
Yeah, it's on Rayford. It's called Bohemian Bull. So I've never been there, don't know, but just from the hype, looks like it's pretty good. Some of the videos, those burgers look tasty.
Oh, dude, they look banging.
We're gonna head up there and throw some down our throat and see what we got.
Yeah, man.
Then in Old Town Spring today, Pop's Parlor. It's an ice cream and popcorn joint right there by that caboose. I don't even remember.
Oh yeah, the train. Yeah.
So it's next door to the caboose. Anyway, so today veterans is buy one get one free on the milkshake, their ultimate milkshakes, and you can help donate to organization that focuses on veterans, teaching them diving. It's called Dive Pirates. So you can donate through Pop's Parlor, and the money will go to Dive Pirates. So hey, get you a little dessert.
Yeah.
Help out some veterans. But they also they help first responders and civilians, but paraplegics, quadriplegics, help teach them scuba and get them under the water and get them a little bit of freedom, a little bit of pain relief.
That's awesome, man.
So if you can, head on out there, show them some love, throw some money at them. Let's help out some folks.
Yeah, man. And I ended up following them on Instagram. I looked them up on Instagram. They're on Instagram, so you'll give them a follow. I'll leave their link down below, man, so you can go check them out as well. But yeah, we're gonna go head over there, get a milkshake, do a little donation, man, and see what that's about. And then that burger joint. The video, he sent me a video to it, right? He's like, dude, we ought to go try this place. I was like, bro, them things look banging. Yeah. They look really good. So I'm excited to try that. I've never even heard of this place. So it just opened, huh?
I don't even know, man.
Don't even know. We'll have to ask.
I saw that video and I'm like, hey, let's try this.
Hell yeah, man. So, all right, well, we're about to mount up, man, and then we're going to head out, and we're going to head to the restaurant first, and then we'll come back and get to the go to Old Town Spring. So we'll show you that too, man. So we'll see y'all in a little bit.
Yeah, peace out.
Oh yeah. All right, we made it. Bohemian Bull. That's what it's called. Bohemian Bull. Tavern and Beer Garden. So we're about to go give her a go, man, see how it is. So we'll show you around once we get in there. So the food finally came out, man. It wasn't that long of a wait. I'm just saying it came out, but I ended up getting a wrap, Mexican chopped salad wrap, right? And all the salads they can make into a wrap. Sweet potato fries, and then Freedom on Two's got
onion rings, obviously, and I'm trying to remember the name of the burger. Oh, there it is. The Pop and Smash burger.
That's Pop and Smash burger. Okay, okay. Yeah, dude, that thing looks good. That looks real good. Woo-wee. Oh yeah.
We're gonna hit it up and see what it's about.
See what it's about, man. So we'll let y'all know once we get done. We'll get with you in a minute. All right, made it to Old Town Spring, and we are headed to Pop's Parlor. Pop's Parlor. Well, we'll get some ice cream, man, and make a little donation, so let's get it. Thank you, sir.
Yes, sir.
Hello. Let's see what we got in here.
Oh, no, we don't have any actual content.
How many times you eaten here?
Well, my daughter works here. She's one of the managers several times.
Several times. Boy, they got a list, eh?
Yeah, here's all your milkshakes. And they got the sundaes and stuff.
Jeez.
And then they got plain shakes over there.
They got everything in here. I don't know if I can do that right now. It's too hot for that. We'll show you what we get here in a minute. Holy cow. So I got a strawberry cheesecake. Look at that. Look at that shake. Oh my gosh. That's crazy. Let's see. Set that on there. Yeah. That's so good. Dude, that is so good. Look at this one. What is that one called?
This is meant to be.
Meant to be.
A mint chocolate chip ice cream sandwich on top of the mint chocolate chip.
These things are freaking delicious. Dude, this is freaking good. Hell yeah. I appreciate you. This is banging, man. So
This chocolate will have me up all night.
all right, man, we're gonna finish this out, but I'll let y'all in a little bit. I'm gonna be on one hell of a sugar high.
Loaded potato.
There's no shortage of flavors here, I'll tell you that right now.
They have different flavors up here. Looks like they've been kind of science up. They're also they prepared for that business.
Oh yeah,
That I told you about.
yeah.
Business conference.
Yeah.
So they took a lot of
that
flavors
stuff.
out, but there's all kinds of flavors.
Yeah, that's legit. They got a bunch of stuff, man. So like I said, man, if y'all get a chance, y'all come on out here. Then they got even sodas.
Even trying to figure Crocs.
Even Croc charm. Oh, gosh. All right. That was legit, man. That was so good. Thank you for your help. Appreciate you. Have a good one.
Thank you.
Yes, ma'am. All right. I think I'm about to get out of here, head back to the house. But it was good, man. It was real good. Let's see. Like I said, y'all get a chance, y'all come out here, man, and give her a go because you won't be disappointed. That shit was good. Hey, man, I appreciate you bringing me over here, bro. That's delicious.
Yeah, appreciate
that was
it.
delicious. So,
Yeah.
all right, well, I think we're about to head out.
Anything we can get out and support a couple small companies. You know, it helps them. Hey, we get good stuff too. You know.
yeah.
Hey, everybody wins.
That's it, man. It's a win-win. So I think that's it. Until next time, man. Y'all go follow Freedom on Tuesday. I'll leave his link down below as well. Give him a follow. Let him know Knuckles sent you over. And then we're planning something else, man. We're gonna try to get out to another little spot over in Katy area. So we'll let y'all know when that starts popping off. But stay tuned. Watch the Instagrams, watch the YouTubes, man, and the Tiki Tacs. You don't have TikTok though, right? Yeah, I barely got it either. So Instagram. But yeah. So until next time, man. Much love, much respect. Knuckles out. See ya.